Face diet V-line, more rough skin smooth. Use the right palm to wrap the back of the neck. Squeeze down the weight to relax the muscles. Switch using the other hand. Repeat the same method. Repeat 20 times. Put your hands in the back of your head. Using both thumbs, press down 1 centimeter above the base of the hair. Repeat 10 times. Use your thumb and index finger on both sides to grasp the muscles that connect the neck and shoulders. Pull up and release. Repeat 20 times. Stretch the line by hand coordination. Place your back, head down, hold your face for 15 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Loosen the line by using all your fingers to place directly below the chin, exerting pressure to lift the head up. Repeat 3 times.